Hi, this is Rachel with Mama Four Boys, and today we're going to make beef tacos. I have a four-pound roast here. It's a bottom round. I'm going to put oil in my Dutch oven. Take this out. I have my oven going to be set to 250. We're going to cook this for a couple hours. Okay, we're gonna season this on all sides. I have this smoked onion and jalapeno Kinder's rub. And season it everywhere. And then I have a can of this chipotle peppers and adobe sauce. I add those in. And then we'll be back.
Okay, welcome back. Isaac is gonna take a nap. So I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to add in now 1 container of beef broth. And then I'm also going to add in 3 red onions that are quartered and then I broke them apart. All right, I'm going to add the onions in and then I'm going to put it in the oven for 4 hours at 240 and we'll be back. Hi, welcome back. We've cooked our meat for 4 hours. It's almost 200 degrees. And I'm going to take the meat out and I'm going to use an immersion blender to blend up the juice together with the peppers. And we'll be back. All right, I just wanted to show you, I've got the meat out of here. Just want to show you how easy this meat just flakes apart. So I'm going to shred this meat up and then I'll use the immersion blender and blend up the sauce and then I'll mix it all together. We'll be back. All right, welcome back. I've got the meat shredded up. It just came apart in my hands really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this into the sauce and we'll get ourselves some tortillas out with cheese and sour cream and then I think I'll take a little bit of the sauce and put it in some ramekins for people to dip their tacos in. So we'll be back. All right, welcome back. I've got my meat shredded up. I've got it in the sauce. I have 2 flour tortillas that I put them in a microwave for about 5 seconds, 7 seconds each to soften them up. I've got here a ramekin with some of the sauce in it for dipping. And I'm going to go ahead and put some meat on one of these and make it up. Doesn't require a whole lot because when you roll up a taco, they tend to, seems like you always have more in it than what you should. So, and I'm guilty of that myself. Okay, so I'm gonna get some sour cream and cheese and put on here and we'll be back for a taste test. Hi, welcome back to Mama Four Boys. It's time for the taste test of these homemade birria tacos. You saw how we made them. It really wasn't difficult. It just takes a while to slow cook the meat. So the tacos have cheese and sour cream on them and the birria meat. I've got some of these, the immersion blended sauce in this ramekin here that I'm going to dip it in. It's going to be messy. So let's go dig right in and give it a try, okay? It's kind of spicy. And messy. And the meat is so tender. Very, very good. Wow. Wow. Dip it again. I love that flavor. You certainly need lots of napkins. Lots of napkins for this. Tastes so good, I might just eat the whole thing without stopping here. One more bite. Flavor is amazing. So if you like these kind of tacos, this little bit of spice to it, it's not got a lot of heat. It's just got that very adobe pepper flavor to it, which is perfect. But anyway, make these for your family. Make them just the way that Rachel and I did. Tell your friends about Mom of 4 Boys, and please come back and watch the rest of our videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next time we see each other, have a great rest of your day, and God bless.